It's time for me to show you another sensory story, and this one is called This Is My School. It's a great one to start with for the beginning of term. It's also a great one to start with because all of the things you need will be things that you already have in your classroom. I go to school in the morning. It's time to learn. I take off my coat and find my place. For this one, you can have a coat sleeve, or I take off my coat and find my place and place it on your lap. I greet my teachers and friends. I greet my teachers and my friends.
Hello.
I follow the schedule. It helps me know what's next. What's next? I work hard in lessons. And this one can be any cause and effect toy. I work hard in lessons. The children have to really think about it and learn how something works. I work hard in lessons. I get help when I need it. Help. Squeezes down arms. Help. I get help when I need it. I feel proud when I try something new. I feel proud when I try something new. I have my lunch and take a little rest. And this can be an actual snack, a scent, or their feeding tube. I have my lunch and take a little rest. I explore the outside world at playtime. I explore the outside world at playtime. It's home time. We'll do it all again tomorrow. It's home time. We'll do it all again tomorrow. Story has finished. These are available worldwide on my Amazon storefront. Comment below and I'll send you a direct link.